We are in Ville de Can, Sant Boi de Llobregat, with Sven Kallen from Transfer. Sven, can you tell us what are we seeing here?
Okay, first of all, important part of the Green Deserts project is the fact that we use biodegradable water boxes. That is to say that we plant them once and then over the years they will disintegrate and become natural fertilizer. So what we see here is some incredible growth of, first of all, a bush called lentisco, and then here of a cherry tree. And this was about 15 centimeters high when we planted it. If you can look at it, what it did in the first year, it's pretty spectacular. And you see here all the leaves and flowers about to pop up, because we're at the end of January and normally half of February more or less the trees start to grow again and to start to develop again.
And what can we see, what can you tell about the wild hog effect?
Yes, if you look down there with the camera, you can see some of the water boxes that have been removed, and it has been a real problem last summer because of the drought, that many of the wild hogs that live here have no natural enemies. They really just push them out, even if they were buried quite deep, push them out in order to get to the water. We've been able to restore lots of them over the course of the summer, month after month, but it's like an uneven fight because they're perhaps a few hundred and they work day and night, so it's impossible to keep up with them. Now what we're going to do this year is to put an electrical fence around it, around the whole terrain, in order to keep them out, and also perhaps dig a water hole at a certain distance in order for them to give them a drinking opportunity there. If you can see here, this is similar species also growing very well, and in the back there you see also some of the water boxes still okay and some of them removed. So this all will have to be checked and, let's say, restored in the spring when we're going to plant the other part. If you look to the mountain towards the ermita, you will see that whole terrain that we're going to reforest in the coming month, plus of course the revision of this one here.
Thank you very much.
Okay.